Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I am Atrey. I make videos related to beauty, fashion and everything that sort, and if you are interested in watching all of those you can explore my channel, and if you like you can subscribe. You can give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram because I do live updates there. So yeah, you can do all of those steps. Now without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so today I have two eye creams with me and I wanted to do a comparison between them, and it's been quite a few months since I have been using these two under eye creams. So yeah, these are the two under eye creams. So first one is this one. This is by Blossom Culture Aroma Magic under eye gel, and the second one is very renowned. This is by Himalaya. This is their under eye cream, and yeah, these are the two products. So I have been using this one, and for the first 3 months I used this one, and then I purchased this for for my nighttime routine, and I started using this one. Now let me tell you about my under eyes. Now my under eyes, they don't have discoloration as such. I will insert clip of my bare face like without any makeup, then you will understand it in a better way. But I do not have under eye circles. I do get puffy eyes. I do have puffy eyes. In fact, my under eyes become very puffy whenever I get up in the morning. I think that's general, and it becomes a little bit stretched because I keep on looking on my mobile or my desktop. So yeah, that is my under eye condition. So I started using these two, and I have gathered my opinion, and yeah, now I am able to tell you guys what I feel about these two and which one you should get. Now talking about Blossom Culture Aroma Magic under eye gel, this is 20 grams of product. This retails for rupees 195, and you can use this product for 2 years. And I bought it quite some time ago, but then I started using this recently. Like I said, 3 or 4 months back I started using this. So yeah, this says that it has aloe vera in it, and the ingredient list is there. The whole ingredient list is there, so that is yay for me. And it does not have any paraben. Yes, it is not tested on animals. So this is paraben free and not tested on animals. That's a really good thing. And it says that I am 100% free from parabens, petrochemicals, phthalates, toxic ingredients, artificial coloring, and fragrances. My hydrating fusion of cucumber extracts and aloe vera gel refreshes your skin. That's too cute. While the exotic extracts of horsetail and green tea, complemented by Gotugola, act as powerful antioxidant agents that firm and tighten your delicate skin. I am rich in essential oils of lavender, lemon that soothe puffy eyes and lighten the skin around your eyes and lips. It also says that you can use this around your lips. Now guys, Gotugola. What should I say about Gotugola? Uh, it is so demanding these days, and Gotugola is a substance which will lighten your skin. It has those properties of brightening that, and it has so many good things in it that this makes me feel that this is such an underrated product, guys. I think hardly people know about this particular product. This is such a good product. According to me, it has such good ingredients, then it is absolutely free from chemicals. Now this is what I like about Blossom Culture. In fact, I am also using one cream, a face cream from their range, and I am literally loving it. So I have all love for Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. You guys are doing an amazing job. So if you see, it comes in a tube like packaging in this powder blue color, which looks quite cool, I'll say. Now let me talk about the texture. If you ask me, the texture is very gel like. See, it is very gel like. It absorbs within your skin, and it does have a little bit of fragrance, but ये बहुत जल्दी चला जाता है. It becomes, it just makes your skin looks so hydrated. So under eyes जो है इससे बिल्कुल बिल्कुल sorted रहती हैं. One more thing, because it is of gel consistency, because this is of gel consistency, so it makes my under eyes feel it has very soothing effect, calming effect on my under eyes. I love using this even in the morning, even in the night time. It does not feel heavy at all. And if you are someone like me who does not like heavy products on your skin, you are going to love this one. Okay, so if I have to rate this one, so I'll rate 9 out of 10 for this particular product. I have cut that 1 marks because what I feel is I don't see much effect in my lightening of under eyes. So yes, that's why I don't like this. Like, I love this, don't get me wrong, but that one point I have cut for that, because I don't think so it lightens my under eyes or whatsoever. It is a very good product if you have puffy eyes, if you have problem of that, if you want an eye cream that will relax your under eye area, this is the one you should go for. I am exhausted now. Now let's talk about this one. This is the Himalaya under eye cream, and it says that it reduces your dark circle 50% in 4 weeks. Yeah, I'll come to that. Now, the ingredient list is not there. Yeah, it's not there on the packaging. Maybe it was there on the outer packaging. I will mention it here, the ingredient list, whatever it has. And it comes for 190 rupees, and it is of 15 ml. So 190 for 15 ml, and 195 for 20 ml of product. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It looks very, very classy, and it also says that it contains herbs that change to color time to time. So however, the product efficacy remains unchanged. So yeah, this is how it looks like. They say that you can use them whenever you feel like. Now this is the thing, every ingredient list is there on this tube, and no ingredient list is there on this tube. So I don't like the fact. I love when brands mention all the ingredient list. Now talking about 50% reduction in dark circle. Now I think I didn't see any change in my under eyes. Even it could not cure the puffiness of my eyes. And because the consistency of this cream is very cream like, you can see here, it also has a little bit of fragrance that goes within no time. So yeah, it also gets absorbed in the skin, but then it has a cream like texture. It does not take care of puffy eyes. So if you are someone who have major dark circle, and if you're expecting that this is going to curb all those dark circles, so don't get me wrong, it will take a long time if you want to use this one, because this does not do anything for my eyes. It did not do anything for my eyes. So yeah, if I have to choose between these two, I will definitely choose Blossom Poacher over this one. Now this is also it is not tested on animals. As we know, Himalaya is that product which is not tested on animals, and they both are Indian product. So that's what I really, really like about this one. All right, so I have both the eye creams here. So what I'm going to do is, on my left side I'm going to apply this one, on my right side I'm going to apply this one. This is the Blossom Coach one. So as I told you that this has a gel like consistency, so here it is. It has a very gel like consistency. It feels really, really soft, and it feels very, very smooth under the eyes, and you hardly feel a thing under your eyes. And it also feels so watery, as if you have applied loads of water under your eyes. Looks so hydrated, yet it is very, very lightweight. So it's like you don't feel as if you have applied loads of heavy cream onto your under eyes. So yeah, that is the thing. I love using this, especially during the daytime, because in the day I tend to sweat a lot. So this is complete good thing which I love using in the daytime. And for this one, I use this generally in the night, because it do feel a little greasy. So this is how the consistency looks like. So it is very creamy in texture, and yeah, it is very, very creamy, and it is not very, very heavy. but yeah, I feel it is a little bit heavier than the Blossom Cocha one, and it feels a little greasy on my under eyes. Like, this is what I feel. um yeah, so that's why I love using the Aroma Magic one more than this particular one. So yes, this is the application, and for me, if I have to choose over two, this is the one. Okay, now if you ask me which one should I go for or you go for, I think you should go for this one if you have puffy eyes problem. And if your under eyes are dry and flaky, then you can use this one. For me, this worked better because I have sort of oily under eyes. But if you have very what should I say, flaky under eye, you should go for this one because this is cream like texture. It does take care of your dryness. Yeah, it does, that does give you protection from your dry patches. So in that case, this is a very good eye cream. Now, like I told you, this gets full marks from my side. I just love this one. If I have to rate this one, I'll rate it a 6. I don't know, please, if you love this product, don't give me hate comments, because it's my personal opinion. I did not like this product over this one. Okay, this is fine, this is an average product, but this is something you should definitely try. So yes guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.